In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a property in Hubspot. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you'll be able to create and manage your properties with ease. So let's dive right into the steps. First things first, you'll need to head over to Hubspot's website. Once you've arrived at the homepage, you'll notice a login button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on that. If you're new to HubSpot, you'll need to enter your login credentials to gain access. After logging in, you should be directed to your HubSpot home screen. This is your dashboard where you can access all your company's tools and resources. Now, our next step is to navigate to the settings section, as this is where all the magic happens. Look for the gear icon, which represents settings, and click on it. It might be located at the top right of your screen, depending on your interface settings. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll see various options at your disposal. Today, our focus will be on properties, so let's find and click on the properties section. It's usually nestled under the data management area. Navigating to the properties section is crucial because this is where you define and manage the custom fields, known as properties, that are used within your HubSpot data. These properties are incredibly valuable for tracking and analyzing your customer interactions and data efficiently. With the properties section open, we are now ready to create a new property. You'll see a button labeled Create Property. Let's go ahead and click on that. Once you've clicked on it, a form will pop up prompting you to define the new property's characteristics. Here you'll have to input essential details like the property's label, such as what you want the property to be called. Next, you'll choose the group the property belongs to, which is often organized by the type of data you're collecting, for example, contact information or deal specifics. This is a practical step, ensuring your data stays organized. You'll also define the property's field type, which can vary from single line text to a drop-down select, depending on how you want your data entered and displayed. Finally, after filling out the necessary fields, you'll notice a button labeled Create at the bottom of your screen. Clicking this will officially add the new property to your HubSpot account, allowing you to use it across various reports and activities within HubSpot. And there you have it, a new property is now part of your HubSpot setup, ready to capture and utilize data in the most efficient way for your business's needs. Now, you're equipped to manage properties like a pro. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful as you continue mastering HubSpot.